Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to change your Apple ID email without losing data. Changing your Apple ID email will not cause you to lose any data as long as you update your existing account rather than creating a new one. For that, go and open your settings and tap on your name, and then you can see sign in and security in the second option. Tap there and it will take few seconds, and tap the primary email address listed at the top. Tap there, and what you need to do is remove the old email entirely. Tap on this to remove the old email entirely. Tap on this remove the account, or if you just wanna keep this current email and to keep your current email as alias but change the primary tone of the primary emails and add new primary email address here, and then Apple will send a verification code to your new email, and then enter that code on your device and finalize the change. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.